Ngiyakhuleka kwabesilo, ngiyakhuleka kwizizwe zonke. Let me introduce myself today. Sengijwayele ukuhlala phe kodaba. Perhaps Mr. Kruger and his team will need to hear this. My name is Her Royal Highness Princess Londiwe Okangcamu, ozalwa isithole sendlu kaMntwana uDabulamanzi weSilumbande. Indlu yasezulwini leyo, izindlu ke iningi ihlukene, indlu yasezulwini. Ngokomsebenzi ngowe-Stakeholders Office of the Zulu Kingdom, siphinde sisebenze nama-stakeholders ngokobukhosi, ngokuka-national, ngokwamakhosi ka-African Diaspora, nangokwamakhosi angaphansi kwe-UN. Mhlambe i-reason yami yokuza today, I want to send this message and ngifisa ukuthi Mr. Kruger and Mr. Foshe and others abathintekayo, I want you to understand this. You don't threaten me ngejele. Ungamane ungibize ngentombazane eyisiboshwa njalo. Reason for me ukuthi ngiboshwe, umthetho I understand ukuthi ubudalelwe laba abafika bezodla izwe, ibona abathema bephuca amakhosi amandla abo bakhanda inkantolo. That's why enkantolo you'll hear abantu befuna uku-addresswa ngo my lord, because lelo gama lisukela ku landlord, landlord eyinkosi ya that land. That's why bagcine bakhe inkantolo esibhilonga kuzona, inkantolo zomthetho wamakhosi under the trees. Kuthe kusuka babe besakhela izindlu ke amakhosi nama traditional noma traditional authorities or tribal authorities, where the system that is being used enkantolo ezimhlophe yizo lezi abayithathe bayi-inherit abayishintsha zasebenzela bona. And i-reason yalokho bekuwukuthi so that uma ubonakala umuntu orebellious kulowo mhlaba or kuleyo ndawo or kule ndlela bebekade be-operate ngawo, bebekuthatha bekwenza isigqila through umthetho, bekutshela ukuthi umthetho uthi njengamanje, because bafike ubukhosi bu-government bu-governisha bunama-systems in place, and ukufika kwabo nencwadi they wanted to change things kusukela ekushintsheni i-constitution and other things. The original constitution ayiveli kulaba bokuhamba bafikele kuthini. So omunye umuntu kuzonga understand why am I going there. It's because sekufike la ekufanele umthetho siwusebenzise ngendlela singathi noma si-threatened ngoba sithi sisaba umthetho, ngoba sithi sisaba ukuboshwa. Vele ubukade ukhandelwe people like me, ubuthi uma ungavumi ukuthi usetshenziswe ngendlela erongi, ungavumi ukuthi ufunzwe into engesiyo, ubuthreatenishwa bese uthatha ufakwe ejele. Bebegqoka okhakhi a long time ago, the blue shirt will pass you over to the khaki shirt ekwayi laba abawojele, ufika uhlushwe with bebeyathi rehabilitation ngokwabo or correctional services ngoba wena uneyigwegwe engaqondile fanele ziyoqondiswa ngaphakathi. Then from laba bekhamba kuze kuba nesigwebo sentambo. Kuthe makushintsha uhulumeni after ukwazi ukuvota in 1994 bazivala ke abendle emnyama isigwebo sentambo, because bekuyindlela yabo yokusiterminate, especially if wena uzokhuluma i-opposite yakhona. Uma kungenjalo bazokudubula. That's why namhlanje sihamba inkantolo ngamaphoyisa obandlululo ahlukumeza bulala abafowethu. That's why obabamkhulu namhlanje kusafanele sikhulumise izicucu zezilo ocetshwayo emva ukuthi nabo bephambanile nalokho abafisa ukuthi kwenzeke ngakho. Mhlambe emlandweni kuphinde kube nesilo elingakhulukhulunywa kakhulu udaba laso, kodwa esibe nerole enkulu kakhulu isilo uSolomon. But ke angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu, angihlale phe kodaba la. Ngithole i-call ka Mr. Kruger nje because uthi ufuna ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ngiyitholile i-court order, because manje I'm in contempt of court. La ekungafanelanga akachazanga ukuthi yini le esengiyenzile ebonisa ukudelela inkantolo. But ke ekugcineni i-message azama ukungidlulisela yona is heading to court so that ezokwazi ukuthi ngiboshwe. Ukuboshwa kwami ke ku Mr. Foshe no Mr. Kruger kulandela ukuthi ngiyaqhubeka ngikhuluma kuma social platforms ngabo. from ukhuluma kwethu into okokuqala kuyi-achievile the families alaba abantu ababoshwa 2 years ago beboshwa Mr. Foshe with an old pension aka 64 years bekuthiwa bazoyovela enkantolo ngonyaka ozayo but after my videos kuthiwa bazoya enkantolo next month kwaqala kwa-communicate abameli again kuvele nabantu abahlukunyezwa yibo Mr. Foshe bababopha babahlukumeza bahamba enkantolo khona nje kiwa enkantolo ngomhla ka 12 August it's been 2 years already kwayena bengakaze bayithola ijustice ingakaze kwenzeke lutho nemoto yakhe ngathi yadutshelwa yibo Mr. Foshe kodwa umthetho wase Middelburg nomthetho wase Witbank kunendlela operator ngayo ngiyathanda ke mase kukanje uyabona njoba be threatenisha ukungibopha ngisazongena kulolu daba njoba be threatenisha ukungibopha kushuthi sasisoya la kufanele siye khona because all this time we thought awukwazi ukubopha amaphoyisa ase Witbank ayahluleka because they could have done that a long time ago before they should have done it actually because there are allegations akhomba ukuthi Mr. Foshe akagcina ukushaya uShongwe obekade ugardener wakhe wamshaya yena hayi ethumela kuneyithombe walala 3 days esibhedlela abantu ababekade bethunyiwe bakwakufanele bahambe bayomdampa somewhere baphazanyiswa imoto 3 times ezadlula lapho kwagcina kufanele bemove from there but ke iphoyisa elinye lisuka khona eWitbank ekuyilona la negotiator lihamba nendoda ebizwa commander and bonakala kuma video la ibonakala khona bethunywe uFoshe bafika no 25,000 emndenini waqale wathi abayifake kwi-account abangamfakela kwi-account base beye emndenini ka Mr. Shongwe kuthiwa akasule icala aka understanding ukuthi lo mlungu yazaboshwe kuzoboshwa imali yakhe again there are other allegations athinta abaningi abantu kakhulu abanye sibafice khona lapha kuthiwa abashaya waphinde wabaduduza ngendlela nathile now uma sekufike lana ke angikwazi phela ukuboshwa ngedwa Mr. Foshe uMr. Foshe uma ngiyoboshwa mina kushuthi amaphoyisa la avela khona useyakwazi ukubopha and bayakwenza ke lokhu uhulumeni wethu I don't know if ngiyise kuhulumeni noma ngiyise kuma police station ethu kuza kanjani ukuthi laba bebalela imhlophe always bona ba under ma house arrest example nje umlungu walapha is it 49 or 47 ethugela mouth i-kingpin yama drugs ukwi-house arrest basho bengahlonisi oluweni laphayana no-Kobus besho ukuthi hayi the one that is under house no Shamaine lo under house arrest the other house is in Joburg because the other one that is Mandeni Tugela Mouth bebefuna siyibheke because bathi amapara asehlala kona but under house arrest uFoshe simazi noma under house arrest noma they were not planning to arrest him but now that they are going to arrest me he's heading for court so that ezothola i-order elizobe lisho ukuthi I'm in contempt of court ngidelela inkantolo as a result fanele ngiboshwe ngesikhathi esendi warrant of arrest angayihluphi I'll come on my own ngizoyizela ngolesibili nje ngizobe ngilapho on the 29th I'll hand myself over you don't have to look for me angihluphi ke nje I'm not troublesome at all ngiyayiyela mina amaphoyisa lithi ngingacabanga nokungibopha ngilitshela ukuthi hayi ngibopheke because awukwazi ukungintimidate awukwazi ukungithreatenisha so you just have to do what you've got to do if you know warrant of arrest akuhluphi okwakho nje is to read me my rights mawuqeda ukungifundela ama rights wami wenze lokho okufanele ukwenzile and follow the processes and the procedure I don't even fight when you do that unfortunately if you don't do that ngiyihlalele phansi ngenzela ukuthi ungiqukule bese wenze ukwenza ukwenza ngokuthanda kwakho Mr. Kruger as ngibhizi ungisendela ama message I'm not sure ukuthi uthini but he wants to play something on record I don't know what as I'm busy since I pop up ngibhizi like right now so ngithi ke I'm ready for bona and funny enough ngesikhathi sikhuluma Mr. Foshe I don't know if he did it on purpose ngobe funa ukungithreatenisha what he did while we were still sikhuluma sichatha via WhatsApp he sent me a message a conversation yakhe noTebogo umseve ngoTebogo Spa uthi don't abuse the guy at my premises lock him up people in jail can deal with him and laphaya umeqhubeka noTebogo wakhe ubhala ukuthi MK Group Legend Drivers, ubhala ukuthi MK Group WhatsApp and Facebook group admins. Aqhubeke ke ukuthi kuphendule lo Tebogo wabala amagama ngazi kunomkhwanazi phezulu nobani uyawabala maningi. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi bayathindwa bayafaka Mr Chair lapho, bayafaka ofundi bayafaka the professionals, MK professionals, bayafaka driver base legend ovuyo omsweli bonke labo ke bakhona kule list, but inqamliwe ngoba ilandwa somewhere else le yabo lokho ukuthi message mawufuna ukuphendula yona refer to yona bese ibuyela ngezansi iveze lokho ekuveza ukuthi le message ubuyiphendula refer to which message. Iqedeke ithi ngezansi ikhuluma no Mr Foshe, Tebogo, you need to deal with this. Myself and my company now been exposed by this nonsense. All these people under the impression to such behavior. You need to solve this urgently and clear my name and my company name, please. And I aqhubeka my conversation, and I asked him, oh, so you also have a main handlers even ngaphakathi ejele, so you are doing it on purpose, just like you did it to abantu laba abawu5 wababopha basejele lase-Emelo elingathethwa icala laba bangaveli for the past 2 years njoba kukhona ngisho ipension akhona avela angihleka send the funny faces. So Mr Foshe, it's not like uphethe inkantolo kuphela, uphethe namaphoyisa, uphethe namajele. So now laba bantu who are on the ground here outside amajele kushuthi bayahluleka to handle me. Then bazongisa la yena acabanga ukuthi kushuthi ngaphakathi wherever la angisa khona bazongiphatha khona. Let me tell you this, just 8 months ago, I was arrested, Mr Foshe and Mr Kruger. I was arrested at Elwyn Court because besesemafletini ama-RDP house adliwa ibhunu by the name of Andre Groenler. This Andre Groenler wafa ngo-2021. Ngo-2019 inkantolo i-High Court yamthola guilty of zonke izona ey'balwayo, ukudla imali yogogo, ama-levies enze okungekho emthethweni, engalungisa ama-flat awe baxosha awadayisa awa-auction awabiza o-5,000 aphinde awabuyise back awadayise aqashisele abantu bangaphandle. Most of ama-arrests in KZN in Durban, working with the Department of Higher Education abonakala ehlela ama-university KZN DUT athathwe kanjalo adliwe kanjalo agcwele abantu bangaphandle. They are owned by abantu abangaphandle, and they are even proud ukuthi bayawa-own baze bafake ngisho ama-flag up. Mawuya lapha ngawo-Eddington, mawuhamba ngawo-West Street, you'll find most of those ama-flats khona. And again, they wanted to do the same with ogogo. They target lawa ngathi anabantu abaningi or anezindlu eziningi. Lela flat logogo na 140 units, and already sekusele plus or minus 36 ogogo abakhona. The rest abantu bangaphandle la South Africa, and bonke abanamaphepha labo bantu, of which that profile is with the SAPS district office, which is a CR Swart Petama police station 43 from Umkomazi up to Verulam, ama police station. They are in touch very close to ama drug lords. Local land looting ngesikhathi General Mkhwanazi a raider a point nathi saboshwa emva kwalokho he was threatened by the Zimbabweans and other people, which was the reason where we had to back from a workshop up to a point to our office la esasikade senda khona imessage ukuthi yabona nje ubumthreatenisha nje ninabantu bangaphandle ningacabanga ukuthi iBanana Republic ile nakithi hayi kithi anginjalo. And they did it with iSiles Khoteme where umdlokombane bethi isilo sithe abantu bakufika babulawe, of which lembi mhlamba omunye umuntu it's new to yena. To us it's not new, because I had to gijima nabantu sigijima Malawi la ngcina nibona khona indlula mithi kufanele iye khona nabantwana basendlunkulo umntwana Zebulon bagcina beyile the Tanzanians kwase kubonakala ubuholi bakulawo mazwe libuya leza ngapha, because they were very angry bona bebedinwe kunawo wonke omunye umuntu ukuthi safika saxoshwa isilo ilembe. Now umdlokombane nawo unyathele inyathelweni zesililembe, hence sihlele emazweni koZimbabwe Zambia, Tanzania, Malawi la kutholakala khona amangoni ngaphansi kobukhosi besilo uzwa ngendaba kaZulu ke wayekade eyinduna kaNdwandwe ilembe mangabe lihlaba uNdwandwe lapha kaNongoma babaleka laba baka Jeregumbi baze bayoshona bafike bayibiza ngoJeregumbi masebe ngaphandle. So uma ukhuluma ngendaba yokuboshwa ngiboshwe point ngiboshelwe justice for the elderly abaye bahlukunyezwa. It's RDP houses bayahlushwa bayakhokha babolekelwe imali ngamagama abo o 1 point something million njengamanje ogogo benginabo just a week ago or 2 weeks ago ibona labo gogo for the first time since 2010 every day bahanjiswa inkantolo bakhishiwe omunye wakhishwa nezingane ingane ibhala matric for the first time labo bameli kade kutholakala ukuthi lo mlungu ababhala ngaye and besayina ngaye bethu yena olitigatayo oyisa amacala enkantolo kade ayifela kwaye lo mlungu 2 years ago. Ake babuyeke on the 29th ngolesibili lo lengilishoyo mina ababuye on the 29th ne-evidence esho ukuthi lokho abakwenza bakuthathaphi let alone ukuthi basayina ngama-signatures akangcono bathi wayeshiye ethe siqhubekele umndeni wakhe senza ama-claims nani babe sebefaka-ke i-notice of i-removal enkantolo because izinto eseyifuneka asikaze sibayekele saboshwa-ke siboshwa because besikulawo ma-flat trying to defend the senior citizens ahlukunyezwe ngale ndlela. It's not only them bakhona Flamingo Court and other flats bakhona iziningi kakhulu indawo ngeke ngikwazi ngisho ukuyibala. So they've been doing this. What happened umthetho wase South Africa what decide ukuthi kuboshwe thina esizama ukwenza ijustice khona even worse ngangiphume ngeorder from inkantolo lesikuyona from imanji uSenders kwayena wathi ngitshela ukuthi ngithuma wena uma ukuthi labo gogo ngibaniki iorder that favors them fanele ngibe nalesiqiniseko sokuthi bazokwazi ukuthi bayigcinele bona bengenzo bekade kwenziwa ilo Andre aqoqa imali yogogo kuphela bese egcine ngabalungisela ama flats. So umthetho wase South Africa uya ngokuthi kushuthi ubani angizungena kulokho. So ngifuna ukuchazela ukuthi ukuboshwa angikuqali and ngiboshwa it doesn't matter ukuthi ngiboshwe isikhulu noma ngiboshwe ubani as long as ngihlale ngibatshela ukuthi whether you decide ukungibopha 2 days noma you decide ukungibopha 3 months noma 10 years or 100 years as long as ngaleli langa ngophuma ngaloko fanele ngiphume phambi kwenkantolo. Uma ngiphuma phambi kwemantshi noma ngiphuma phambi kwejaji hayi rest assured mhlobo wami ukuthi hayi ila ngizokwazi ukustate khona icase and that's the platform that you are given whereby ukwazi ukuthi ukhulumise olwakho udaba. So uma ukuthi mina ezakhe indlebe awufuni ungizwa voluntarily you decide to take me to court when ucabanga ukuthi uyangithreatenisha abasaba ukuboshwa it's fine ngabatatazelisa lokho and that's what they've been doing to abasebenzi. They will abuse them, they will do everything, assault them, threaten them, but still bengabaholeli imali kufanele babaholele bona. On top of that, people we are talking about government is playing a role khona. Our senior members of government is playing a role. Eskom is playing a role here to an extent that it's not like ukuthi they know ngelahle kuphela ebelingena ngekho emthethweni from imine ebheniwe which is umzimkhulu mine. And this one bantu ngifuna azi ke manje ufosho ukuthi who else is going down with me because ngeke uphula umthetho bese ungayi angithi mina ngiphulile umthetho wenkantolo ngangalihlonipha inkantolo. So laba bawuphulile umthetho and they are coming with me and they must make sure ukuthi umthetho uyayidlala indawo yawo. Ngesikhathi ke niyongibopha kusamile whether you threaten me noma uyabopha mina okusala imali zabasebenzi asikhokhwe okusala whoever that you owe abakhokhe okusalayo enibahlukumezile umthetho kusafanele udlala indawo yawo. Ukuthi you are trying to terminate me, you are trying to deal with me noma wenze njani, that doesn't change the status quo. It still stands. Whether you threaten me or what, unfortunately, I won't withdraw. You've been trying, you tried to bribe me with 7 trucks. I refused. You tried to, when you some numbers, to 15 trucks. I refused. I refused. And I still refuse. I still refuse because I stand for what's right. I stand for justice. I'm coming there. And ngizoyizela udingi nokuthi uzongilwisa ngafika wathi angixolise ngathi ngizoxolisa anangangenisa ngangalwa anangangenisa ngathathwa imoto yenu should you want to tell me ukuthi unxumalo kuyena ongidriver wangibeka kuma premises ngizombopha ngoba umsebenzi we security company yenu should ngizombopha unxumalo should ngizombopha umasikane lo esimfice egcekeni okuyena ongithathela isitulo wangihlalisa phansi because ngiboshwe ukuthi ngiyatrespassa mina legend shuthi nizoyibopha indoda le ungafunanga ukusitshela isibongo sayo eyathengela umbulungu ijacket entsha shuthi nizombopha lo omunye waphuma ngaphakathi esephuma noMabaso ngoba icala likaMabaso lingathethwanga ngoba phela you can't say it's trespassing shuthi nizombopha uHR wenu owa decide ukukhuluma nami ngikuma premises wenu bonke labo bantu nizobabopha. Now what I want to know with uLegend uLegend ufike wahamba wayothatha ilahle lemayini kade yabhenwa uEskom because ilahle labo lingcolile ilahle labo libulala amabhande imshini kaEskom nayo yonke into sithole sesinalelo shading esinayo then the next thing kuzohambe umphakathi into izigcwala imigwaqo because of load shedding okuthiwa ama transformer file the very same transformers that the Eskom never budgeted for iwathatha ngaphi ihamba iyise ngaphi ithathe ngapha uma kudlula isiteleka abantu sebeyekile umsindo bayithathe bayibuyisele emaplantini wabo ihlalile indaba. Tell me, Eskom, because Legend is way too big for us. Legend our account in but unfortunately for our government officials, you are in trouble, my dears. My loved ones, we are in trouble. Legend mina don't care Legend. Mfana ka 92 angina ndaba kwa naye lo foshe wakhona but there are people who have a responsibility here. Awukho umthatho bhindu Legend because yena is a private company ukuthi wakheke uphuma kwenzakalani that doesn't matter to yena but unfortunately for our government officials unfortunately for abosisi laba omaseko you are in serious trouble. You are aware with your Mr. Baloyi, with your station manager there. Ukuthi ufoshe ilahle uwathatha ama truck 3 months wonke ebeki period ka 6 months. Ethutha ama truck from Emzimkhulu mine walithatha lelo lahle wazolihlalisa eDuva for a long time. For a long time and you've been playing naye lo mdlalo wenu phakathi and uma lisuka we power station manager yase Duva uma lisuka ngaphansi kwenkosi kaMahlangu egedeni lasenkosini kaMahlangu ngaphesha komgwaqo uma liphuma seliphuma ngeziliphu libheke eMajuba ngoba eMajuba iyal reject the power station li wrong liyathuthwa esikhundleni sokuthi lihambe lochithwa khona lichithwe power station yakuphi yase Duva. From Eduva, budget public press lesikhuluma ngayo. From Eduva lihambe liswe kuphi emajuba. Ngifuna sibheke that circle yabantu abadlala role here. And those people are coming with me. Abantu basiyoboshwa angiyikoboshwa ngedwa bengizolanda nina. So liyasuka leli lahle ngaphansi kwenkosi umkhephula uMahlangu lo okuyena owakhela igate lala onmeme emcimbini wakhe engezi ngomgqibelo njoba ingene sibayeni inkosi ngisanikhumbuza uEskom usudelivile umasipala kumanje uGreatile lapha yana ngiwatholile nama video ba happy kakhulu uGreatile umasipala kade ungezwani nenkosi all this time Eskom ngiyabona wena ukafundi kade ungezwani nenkosi all this time umasipala walapha yana eWitbank walapha eMalahleni wenza umathanda wawo uyikamela nomhlaba wenkosi ngisazonithumelela nama maps enkosi niwabona la cause anzazi ukuthi ngikuphi kulo yamhlaba anzazi ukuthi nikhonzaphi nimenyiwe but nisalwa nami ake sithule sibukele okay liyasuka leli lahle liphuma ngama receipt ngama slips akuphi aseDuva power station ulesingakunamhlanje lesithathu Eskom yemnani kusasa Eskom yemnani kusasa futhi actually mangiqeda la ngizobe sengifaka icall I need the report here yonke lento esikhuluma ngayo and the auditor general yazi kunendima ekuzofanele idlalile ngoba ngiyambona ucothoza kancane icommittee ka Eskom la ngiphazanyiswa ama message o driver baba truck la izinto abayikhuluma yona wana no okay liyasuka ke leli lahle leya lapha ya seliphuma ngama receipts ase Duva from iDuva inayo imayini that's a plant i-station leso yini i-power station yaka Eskom. Shuthi power station ifika idayisela ilahle yini yona. Mayisiqeda ukudayisela ilahle bese yodayisela enye i-power station ka Eskom. Ayiningilekelele lapha kuleyo ndawo bantu baka Eskom. Ayiningilekelele lapha government ophethe ama minerals, government wethu ikomiti lethu eliphethe electricity and energy. Ayiningilekelele kuleyo ndawo. And again, there are things engishiye ngibanike umsebenzi ukuthi bawenze ka Eskom. I haven't heard from them, but yet they have my numbers. I said I'm not going to call them because mina ngikwenzele bekufanele ngikwenze mangifika khona. And again, asamile ama project inkosi sawamisile ama project a Eskom ukuthi akuzohamba ngendlela enicabanga ngayo la. And I want to deposit this to you guys. In a process, there are people nini bantshotshela isinkwa sabo njengoba sikhuluma. Kunabantu enibabulala. Kunabantu abahlele kuma wheelchairs ngesandla sika Forche. Kunabantu abasemgodini ngesandla sika Forche. Kunabantu angakazazi azachajelwe khona. Bese kuzoba ilaba abadlala role. UCCMA wase Witbank ebalahleni Middleburg or Heidelberg ziningi lezi zinto zabo. Kube ubargaining council wakhona. Ngiyabingelela nje kini nonke bahlobo bami ngoba hayi bafethu ngabe nihlelela nje nibe nipakisha imithwalo yenu nibe nibhala ama will manithanda ukubhala ama will ngoba you are still going to be there for a very long time. And nibe ngizohlala nani bangani ngizonigada nibe nilunga lapho enkantolo le High Court. I mean asiqale ngepolice station lapho Colonel Maseko nethimba lakho nabe bekade kuyibona aba investigator ama cases ka lo Forche na wonke omunye umuntu. Mhlambe nina nizobasaba ngoba mhlamba ninayi entitlement, mhlambe nicuphile kuhle makukhona abafakwa kuma payroll nabanjani. Hayi thina bafowethu, hayi thina sincethezi. Uyabona nje akunayo ngisho imali, ungibona nje akunayo ngisho imali kodwa khohlwa. Angidingi nje ke le eyegazi labantu, angidingi le eyachiza odla igazi. Uyabona nje ngikweletela ngisho umngani wami ke mina ke ngikweletela ngisho umngani wami. Hayi umngani wami anginayo imali ukuthi ngikwenzele ukuthi njengamanje anginayo imali ukuthi ngibuyisele imali yokuthini, but ngeke ngize ngithengise igazi lomuntu engisho ngabe kuthiwa bebe negotiate ama. It's not like they didn't negotiate, and they've been trying and I won't sell the people. But asibuyele la enkantolo yase Middleburg. This is the message for all the judges who've been granting them ama orders. You failed the people. Uma bona befaka ama applications bedinga inkantolo yenza ubulungiswa. But uma kufika legend, anything and everything within 24 hours bayithola. You don't even wait ukucheck umthetho ukuthi umthetho ugcina uthini. Uyabona lama judge, judiciary system ine problem impela. But siyawabona ama judge nje mahle impela ema committee na ya account kulezi insuku, and you are next. But futhi akuzogcina lapho, this time kuyaboshwa. Hayi yabona umthetho udla ngelinye umhlathi manje. But let me continue with this one because isikhathi sami siyancikisela. Uma kuukuthi siyabophana Forche, I'm waiting for that warrant of arrest, and immediately ngilithola uzobona ngami ngiwave futhi ngithi hure selifikile. But engifuna ukwazi, because between that warrant of arrest, I mean between ukuthula kwenu ngenxa yokuthi uthi kimi uKruger, I've been communicating via WhatsApp, I've been posting on WhatsApp. The very same WhatsApp mina afike wangitshela ukuthi mina angitshela abantu bami bathi calm down. It's on record. You can check my records la engangikhuluma khona ngine conversation khona le athi ngampostelani kuyona ngoba it was between mina naye. Uma ulaleli sisihla kahle because yena isingisi siyamhlula sometimes kuyamhlula ukuthi aphinda alalele khona umhlulile nomthetho obukade ubhalwe phansi yonke lento eyenzakalayo labona umthetho usuvuna bona bodwa. Hayi ukuthi asazise ulandele umthetho, usulandelile from day one, sayibhala incwadi sakwenza konke to an extent yokuthi I mean kuma affidavits wakhe wadinga ukuthi ngimenzele iaffidavit mina la yena abafuna mina ngibe between ukuthula kwabo no protect company yabo laba la khona ama assets ukuthi uma inkantolo engamgrandi leli order yini that he stands to lose, which is 1,200 ama trucks, imsebenzi yabantu abangakanana kababalayo and what not. Today sekuyima sengibopha And he said he was going to create a platform between umlungu lo akamphethe and myself and the people akufanele ngabe represented, because apparently bengathi beza ngodlame kuyena. And between lolo dlame lalabo bantu ababala ngisho history abantu babophe because they were burning their trucks. Today sekuyimi sengithreat sekufanele ngiboshwe. And mina ngivimbe the very same people kade bethreatenisha ngisho ukubabhena. Now umthetho kanti uya nganqanye na.
Yeah, ngoba kusukela ngomgqibelo angithi ke manje sizobe sesinesikhathi sonke wonke umuntu ongasebenzi even during the week nezinkantolo, ngoba angithi phela ezinye izinto njobe esihambisa izinkantolo bagcina be attach ama assets omuntu. Sizobe sesicalculateile ke indleko zabantu akabakweletayo for sonke lesisikhathi ulegend asebenza. So uma ukuthi akabenzi lobu bulungiswa kuzobe sekuphoqa ukuthi kusukela ngesikhathi u12 wango lesihlanu ebusuku sizobe siqoqela nje amatshe ama-tin tips, umuntu ezenenzwane zakhe neminwe ngoba thina asina ama calculators fana no Mr Senegal whether uya toilet noma uvulela umnyango noma uhlala phethe calculator uthi ukhuluma naye ebekucalculatela ngemali calculator le endala ezeyathu yaphenduka bheka yathi ebekucalculatela ukuthi uyazi ukuthi kubiza ukuthi akubalele by number of days by this same time athi uyazi imali le uhlala phethe calculator. So we don't have a calculator futhi asisebenzisa amafoni sibala ukubala kwakudala. So it will take us time uma sibala ikweletu asikweleta zona. Kuzofanele sibale 1 2 3 uwabeke ama-tin tips ngapha eceleni uma ukuthi mathathu akabakweleta sisazokhuluma ngezinto la. Uma sikhuluma u30% wesizwe siyabala vele besimtshela ukuthi akasinike nedata yabantu already ababenefitayo ngokushuthi minus lokho ngoba bakhona sebeyingxenye yakhona siyajabula. And kubantu nginanezithombe ke zethimba lezi iholdings le kade ngikhuluma ngayo iCrocodile Holdings eyahamba imvimbe ngale khona ngase grill ethu yasebenza khona athi awuzodlula ke la uzosebenzela la ngoba uyasikweleta yamvimba yaqede wathi abalethe icompany bahamba be11 as directors ngilikhazile lolo daba. So uyabakweleta kabanye already laba asebe benefita abantu abanjengalabo esifuna sicalculate already omkhaya bami laba insizwa labantu abathi ayigundi isihluthu already they are benefiting basho bathi bawusoma business basubcontractiwe noma ukukhuluma nomhla nomahlangu laba bako Ogesi bakhona abantu asebe benefita nabo laba abanye abathi ngiphazamise isikhwama sabo behambe bekhuluma ngo backdoor na kwenye indawo. Bonke labo bantu badinga uprofile mhlambe khona no driver abanye benefita osingazi njoba sikhuluma ngokukhanda trust your driver nje bama truck nani ayikho into engilimaza izolo njengokuthi ngithola ukuthi kuno driver uhola 11,000 drive abnormal nakhona esuka eshonini lephezulu akasuki ngisho Richards Bay umthwalo wakhona ayikho futhi kulimaze wonke umuntu obekukhulunywa egroupini ukuthi hayi ukuthi uyakhuluma usende i-payslip yakhe to me 11,000. And ngendlela abahlungu ngayo if you are a South African and if you are concerned, if you have lost your loved ones engozini zeimoto, you have lost your loved ones through ama-trucks la wazonda inhliziyo yenu laba abantu bahlukumezekile, be kind. And uzoyilwa nathi lempe silwayo because we can't have abantu abaphelele emgwaqeni sinento besingayenza ngakho bese singenzi lutho. Yonke indawo idolobha nedolobha as we speak bahambe befaka igxobo lezi zokuvimba ukuthi ungapaki khona bapake phi bathenge ukudla umuntu okhishwa isiswa yekiphi pharmacy enze nje bahlukumezekile laba abantu. Yabona uthi mina ke sebengazi yonke indawo sebehambe bengibingelela yonke indawo bona bewo driver like good people. If you are a South African citizen ngike ngathi kuyena uFoshe at some point ngathi Mr Foshe ulayishela Richards Bay, if you thought akungithinti ngika mahlangu, if you are talking about KZN waqala nje wangena ele komkhombe uqala ibhodi lakho litshela ukuthi welcome to KZN hayi usugaxele mfowethu ngoba kusho ukuthi yakhe i-truck ayingangeni ngale. Uma uqala uqhamuka ngapha ngako Van Renen uqala nje ibhodi lakho ushona phansi likusondeza lapha phansi lithi welcome to KZN. Hayi usugejile. Uma usadinga umtateni waseThekwini, usadinga eRichards Bay, hayi uzokwenza lokho kufunayo. If usazolayisha ku-Transnet uthi awuyokuthululela khona, usazobenza ubulungiswa. Uma usasebenzisa i-power station yaseMajuba, usazobenza ubulungiswa nakwezinye indawo. Now usuyabuka ukuthi uma uzothi awuthinteki kodwa usasebenzisa lezo ndlela. Uma ubheka ingozi ekhandeka koMajuba, ekhandeka koPhongolo, ekhandeka yonke le ndawo because abantu they fatigued, because abantu babhlungu basebenza under pressure. Ngitshele makhuluma ngo36 loads, lo muntu loyo sekoze waqhotha amadolo, akakhona ukuphumula, akadli ngendlela, akathole ezempilo, mentally and otherwise akekho right. And you expect to drive nalabo bantu umuntu ongekho une pressure namafoni bathi ungabamba amafoni asekhaya, but they expect you to communicate ngephone. Awukwazi uhlala umincile ukuze ungamisi ikholi yomlungu ngoba uzoxoshwa. Abanye babonile bexoshwa phambi kwakho. Now bese kuba khona umuntu ozokhuluma ukuthanda, akekho affected, akanayo ngoba kusho ukuthi yena akanayo umuntu, but engozini yomgwaqo mokhuluma ngo-N3 nje kuyabhujwa because laba abantu abalalile abaphumlile, ingqondo ayisebenzi futhi kade besho futhi seliphelile ithemba ukuthi konke kulunge. So uma ezotha kusithinti ake ngithi ake ngivume ake ngizenzise nje ukuthi ukube bekuthiwa ke bekunjalo, asiyeke ukuthi vele ke akunjalo. Ukube bekuthiwa kunjalo ngamtshela ukuthi thina singavala lapha nje oPhongolo, sivale ngapha ku-N3 Moy River kungadluli lutho. Hayi ukuthi usuvale uLegend, uzovalela ukuthi bazi ukuthi ingcindezi ephethe lapha iphoqa ukuthi uLegend akwenziwe something about it. Once wa-agitate abantu ungasabazi kwabona, ungasakwazi ukuthatha icontrol kubona, kusuka sekuyi-problem. Uwena ongibalela ukuthi what do you stand to lose, but indlela owenza ngakhona ngathi ku-cheaper ukuthi ugqilaza abantu, usebenzisa abanye abantu ngoba abanye abantu abadecoloniziwe, abanye abantu bayitshela ukuthi bafundile kodwa ingqondo yabo ayifundisekile. So uyabona ukuthi uma ungamniki imgoqo ezokufanele ahambe ngayo lo muntu uzoyithola une problem. So ngithi ke ngintshela ukuthi Mr. Foshe into ezokwenzeka ukuphela kwalesi sikhathi ngoba already amasosha ngihamba la ayethe simnika 24 hours ahambe. So sizobese siyayibala ke izinto ngoba ukuhamba kwakhe phela ngakujabuleli ngoba vele kade ayithenga isite la ithenge ngakhona. And already kuno reni something lapha engathi uzoba yibona basengena phansi kwawo ngoba imkhuba bayenzayo ushintsha igama, kushintsha i-management, kushintsha i-leadership and what abazokwenza this time. So i-Friday yethu yilanga lokugcina bese siyawabala ikweletu ezabasebenzi na yonke into nani bese uhamba nalokho kuzobe kushintsha kwalokho. Uma ukuthi kusala ama-truck awu2 uyawuphuma nama-truck awu2 kuphela ngoba lana manye uma ukuthi isikweletu onaso for over the years siphoqa ukuthi awagcinwe ngoba vele iplant phela awuhambi na ngithi phela makade wakhe endaweni yenkosi awuhambi nesakhiwo ngoba wena umhlaba awu-own futhi awusibhidlisi phela isakhiwo. Uma wakhele ebukhosini ngesikhathi ohamba ngaso ubusubuyisela komkhulu konke lokho wena okade ukufica osukushiyile ngoba umhlabathi awukwazi ukunyakazisa. That's why uyawunikwe nje i-permission to occupy. Laba abanikana amatayitela kulungile okwabo but siyakufixa nakho. So kufanele ukuthi ngoba ukwazi ukuhamba nesakhiwo kufanele lokho okwazi ukumove excuse me, lokho kufanele ukwazi ukumove siqaleke sibale kukho njoba kufika ngisho nabako Wash Bay inkosi yami hayi baningi abantu abakweletwa wena from overtime from bani uyabona nisobe sicalculator sonke sisizwe sibalisana bese kuyimasikhuluma ke ngo30% besizwe nani uyayibona yonke leyo nto nokumaintaina ke inkosi yami amaforum akhe la akasebenza nawo yonke leyo nto leyo kuzofanele athuthe umlungu kusakuhle ngoba ilanguage mina engibavimbe kuyo mina abantu ibingasesiyo eyokuphila bese kuyilanguage where abantu bethi asife masifa vele usiza ngani ulegend ngoba akasekho okune guarantee ukuthi vele ngekaphumela naba bengajoyinile abanye beqala bexoshiwe already now every day uyaxosha umlungu akasekho umuntu ohleli ngesinqe ozinzile wonke umuntu usehleli ngesinqe sodwa kwayena mlungu lo usehleli ngesinqe sodwa security company vele bivele indaba yayi bivele ingekho right ngoba vele kufanele ngabe ibona abasebenza lapha abokhamba laba bantu bakhona bendawo kufanele ngabasebenza khona now uma ukhuluma ke le ndaba abantu bekhuluma ngendlela abakhuluma even worse into abayenza lapha lo mphakathi engangavde ngihamba nawo enkosi laba abahlala enkopho laba abayingenela ngodli enkopholo yasemayini imayini asalisi ba maintainer ngoba bendawo ikhokhela ugesi namanzi nakho konke into yonke indawo lapha nemafemi nabaqashwa njalo bahamba bayotesta bafike bakhishwe akade besebenza baxoshwe abendawo laba bantu and ngifike sengibabamba la sebethi khona asishise lenkampani manje umlungu uzothi mina ngithi ayishiswe inkampani between exist kwale nkampani nayo khona mina nabantu between bona so uma kusuka mina yikho sisalandela umthetho uma kusuka mina ngoba nami ngizamile uma kusuka mina kusho ukuthi umlungu sekufanele ayibonele ngoba abantu bathi ubiye ngaphambili kuphela umlungu awu bojo angiphela abantu besebenza khona bahlala khona baphila khona ubahlubeza everyday abanye basengaphakathi bangaphandle abanye kusho bona ukuthi kuukuthi endaweni ethile uya understand so umlungu engathathi abantu that serious kithi ke kubalekile sithi protect these assets because ekugcineni zingaki izinkwa engenela imndeni ekufanele ngabe ithole ibisithole singo abanye uyabashaya aqeda ababribe ama allegations akhona lawo athi ngizokubuyisela emsebenzini ngoba useyabopha umuntu but ubugqila abenze ebantwini and akaze afike yena ngokwakhe lapho abantu bakithi abanye abenze ba-contributor towards that but let me get to le lokhuzane response ebekade siyibhizi nayo azahamba yofuna i-order the final order and bese ngikudlulisile okuzokwenzeka going forward but ukuyibhala le eyokuthi so that you have it on record so that inkantolo have it on record and isiqinisekisa ukuthi umthetho uyayidlala indawo yawo futhi abasebenze eParliament let me tell you good people ukuthi minister benu basalibela ukudlala oBlack Mpatile labe managerane bahole babe right balale bathanda ukulala eParliament bathukanayo baqede bawuphuza itiya bahleke bakhohle nokuthi bebe performa lapho kuze kuthiwa sijabule tina directly involved with the politicians now we know ukuthi oEFF akaze benze lento esitshela ukuthi bayayenza uSenegal wangitshela endlebeni zami ukuthi bafika bangithreatenisha baze bashisa umoba wami kuthe kusuka kwayima engitshela uthi wathi umalema wathi ufuna iplaza kimi ngathi uyangidakelwa mfana washo kanje umlungu yasazi izolo wathi ngathi uyangidakelwa mfana kusho uSenegal mina phela ngithi ngiyazi ukuthi angifihli lutho and ebala ukuthi obani benza abelungu ngabafihli hayi bayanemdrop abafana nami nje yikho nje sibuye silandelane kalula ngoba lokho akukhuluma kulula ngabe uthi ngithole mina baningi abantu emehlweni ethu ababonakala benza lento esicabanga ukuthi bayenza kanti benze kuyi opposite we are being managed and ukumanage ukuthi akuqali la sisuke siphila khona emphathi kuqala lapha esithumele khona abantu sithi bayosebenza kanti sebe enjoy uchizo negazi osmooth bengazi singaboni thina ukuthi sesiyasetshenzwa but thina sibanika amandla ukuthi basisebenze so uma sibuya kule ndaba bekubalekile wonke umuntu ukuthi ozazi ukuthi ugejile la akahambe phela uninzi indlebe indoda ukuthi hayi indoda hayi sibhemile futhi ibhemile ngempela ngifuna ukunikhohlisa ibhemile yes you may see my face only but akusibe ubuso bami kuphela futhi ke mina kade ke ngathreatenishwa kade sa threatenishwa kudala ukuthi abantu bacabanga ukuthi basiqala namhlanje basazi namhlanje but bazokwazi uyazi ukuthi omunye utheke imi ufonyiswa la masosho usuhamba nawo mana ke mawuthi esengihamba nawo mina kunomndeni umndeni ababezofuna ubaba wami mhlawumbe abantu sebakhohlwa ezansi kwasekhaya nasekhaya bekuhlela amasosha abamba inkunzi okokuqala ephuma ekuhambeni ngena ngaphakathi la eSouth Africa behlala lapha eJozini thina ekhaya sinamaplaza eJozini sinomhlaba eJozini sitshalo ukotini nabo sinekali labo umshini wabo sinekali labo esifaka khona akahlala amasosha ngikhulumike ngalawo ahlala amasosha lapha ekhaya eside isikhathi ngasekhaya indaba yonakala la kunesikoti zena ababesitholile somewhere la they try to ukuthi bathi kubaba wami bafuna ukufaka imali isamba thizeni kwe-account yakhe because unemali eningi usomabhizinisi ngekanakeke uzobe sebanika ngendlela azobanika ngayo wanqaba and ngebhadi laba bongizalayo basebemnikile information yonke so into abasebesele nayo ukuthi kushuthi lo baba uzobabophisa fanele bambulale balihlala uzungu lwabo so ngesikhathi abangena ngaso ngikhumbula kahle umama owayesize ekhaya ngaleso sikhathi ngoba bekusahlala nabafana bebhola no dade osisihlengiwe bekhona usisi umntwana bazomntwana kaMahlangu ilunga leParliament omzali ufane baningi omjendwando lo kade edlalela amaZulu abazali bakhulisa abantu abaningi kulela gceke kuhlala ephithiza nje ngiyakhumbula ukuthi umama wayekhona engangiphusha nayo kunomkhukhu lapha ekhaya esasiphekela kuwona masipheka phansi sibona le moto ezojika mawungena ekhaya ukuthi umnyuka kancane uzongenela emagarage sibona le moto ezojika la ade sitshela ukuthi ubaba hayi ijiki ibuyele emuva isifanele ingene nje egcekeni ijiki ibuyele emuva kade sikhanya sikade sithi uyena ubaba sesiyakhiya emkhukhwini sekuqediwe ukwasha izitsho kwenziwa yonke into ofanele sihambe solala endlini emakhaya kunezindlu eziningi akufani nasemadolobheni kunendle eyodwa iningi izindlu emakhaya fanele siphume siye kwenye indlu siyavala ke nalo mama ke wayegqoka isidwaba emakhaya umakoti ugqoka isidwaba wayegqoka isidwaba ke lo mama so few minutes later le moto ejikela kade sithi ubaba ingena umgwaqo inyuka ibheke phezulu sezwa kuduba izulu ibha basiphushana sobabili sasesikhile umnyango sawuvula ngaze ngasho uthi hayi isidwaba salo mama siyasebenza sasiphusha sobabili ngimncane mina leso sikhathi saphusha sawukhala kathela salala phansi sahuba ngezisu sobala songena kwelinye ikamera lomkhukhu owu3 room at the time sangena khona sayoshona salala eside isikhathi iqhuma ibhama eside yebo amasosha khona endaweni but ingqondo sasingazi kwenzalani because ekhaya sikhule ngenxa yezitolo okwenza ukuthi aze umntwana aphume khona mangabe sekhamba ubaba no mama it's because almost every 2 days ngenxa yobuningi bezitolo thina siyolala engadini siyolala emzini yabantu kuyadutshulwa because kade kuzobanja inkunzi yemali ukwazi ukuthi kancamo ezitolo zakhona almost every day kungalali nemali less than 100,000 every day bonke abasebenzi makubuya ntambama over 40 amaplate aphakwayo so every time behlale silala egangeni ngenxa yezitolo because abantu bazothi imali khona makumholo ke khona bese kunegebengu nje ezaziwayo uyazi ukuthi soshaya ngapha ishaya iyona impilo bese siyiphila esathi after ukuhamba kababa asifuni lutho nje asifuni lutho ayimane ihambe nabafuna ukuyiqasha futhi umntwana bezathi ninganginingisha imali nginikeni igross amanthanda ngoba angisafune lutho nje ngihlukumezeke ngokwanele uthe noma ethi uyaqhubeka uyatshala ngoba ukhuthele wayekade etshale namasimi zathi ingane yini ekuhlulayo sizokondla uma ukuthi kwenzakalani besejwayela ukuyiphilela futhi kube kuthiwa ubengayenza imisebenzi ngisho ingadi yakhe encane nani namasimi ngaba mhlambe kade wafa umntwana ongizalayo but bese sikhathele uhlobo lempilo esiphilayo kwasho ukuthi nemisebenzi esisebenzayo awusakwazi ukuqala ukuthi yini kahle kwenza ukuthi nibe nomngozi akayiqheliswe izinto ezoba ama threats so uma sithola ekseni badubule umndeni wakadlamini ngaphesha wasekhaya kunamatekisi eyayibuye eGoli kanti imoto yakhona ifana nekababa babethi badubula babwabo sekutholakala isocial litholakala phansi nomunye wobhuti bakadlamini shuthi le moto encane babetshe ukuthi kababa elandelwa itekisi yakhona ngoba bebuye eGoli baphelela lapho ngibuyela kulesi story ke esithi abantu namhlanje bacala ukuthi ngihamba namasosha namhlanje mhlawumbe abendawo lapho engisho khona bazokukhumbula lokho engikushoyo ukuthi oh njalo bahlale bekhunjuzwa izitori so ziningi izinto abebengeke bayi-understand ngomndeni esiphila nawo ezinye si-understandayo thina as far as ukuphilela ko-Potchefstroom nokuthi umuntu uhambe kanjani e-Potchefstroom as umndeni ngoba ukuthi la isikhona umntwana ongizalayo usukaphi and what not lathi nje khona ngifuna lutho nje amaqembu epolitiki umama ongizalayo wazonda wonke athi mina yangihlukumeza i-ANC yangihlukumeza i-DA ngathi ngifike emakhaya kwathiwa wena ukuthi wakhe kanjani umuzi otheni akafuni lutho nje ubezathi u-IC kwawona u-IC akasawufuni akafuni lutho nje so impilo esiyiphilile abanye abantu noma engaba bayi-understand that's fine thina siyayi-understanda kodwa ngibuyela la engithi uma ukhuluma ngokuthi ngihamba na-warm bodies amasosha kudala siphilile lempilo kuningi okunye esingahambe sikurivila ngesikhathi ezizimo isuke iphoqa ukuthi ngikhulume ngazo ngaleso sikhathi kusuke kuphoqa ukuthi ngikhulume ngakho ngakona so indala lempi ngimncane ngihamba nayo so angifuni ukuthi ngize ngifike kakhulu but ka legend i-difference between abantu akade bama manhandlers no Foshe uthi maye baxoxela nje benqaba ukubiza nama meeting ebachithile abakhona uthi problem with this woman this time I see the warm bodies and they are a threat and I've seen the number which is the reason why uMdlokombane wafuna ukusebenzisa ibutho okuyibutho lakhe alibiza ngamatoyito yamasosha and also ibutho leli eliphatha umkhondo amasosha Sean amasosha lawo esibhamu mina ke ngiyangithi bathi wayethi umuntu omdala uyabona ukuthi kwaba yidemoni nje ongalazi ukuthi kwenziwa yini njalo kaZulu izingane zamantombazane noma ezalwa amantombazane kube izona ezingenwa ikhehle elinamandla awumtshele nje ukuthi ngoba udabula amanzi wayekade kuyilona sosha elaliholimpi kakhulu impi yesilucetshwayo udabula amanzi kaMpande kuthiwa leya social lelana ugeneral lo wempi yakaZulu yayingalokho ishona lena yayifika athi umlungu sebekela ikhonkwane ibhoncula ikhonkwane lapha besilindi impi and emlandweni ilona butho elesikhathi sesilucetshwa elanqoba amangisi ezisikhuluma impi yasesandlwana and again abantu they don't understand into yethu masikhuluma ngokulwela into yasemandeni and uma sikhuluma ngenkantolo enkulu lapha isilucetshwayo abantu bazi ukuthi ultimatum tree bayifunda bayikhe phezulu bengayi-understand njengoba nomasipala wasemandeni ngathi usiyawubambula yini ukuthi hayi engathi kuzofanele sehlele ngezansi angifuni ukuya kakhulu khona njengoba sibuyele enkantolo nabo ngomhla ka-25 njengoba decide ukuthi basinike nje isigodlo samakhosi ngoba inkantolo enkulu khona iyabuyela endaweni yayo lapha endonda kusuka but silana bahlali ekutheni umlungu is threatened asifisi ukuthi abe threatened sifisa ukuthi enze right and asifuni ukuthi athole imessage wrong which is the reason why efake this interdict or ebekade dinga efine reason yokuthi ephinde wa interdictor because yena ucabanga ukuthi uzoprotectwa yilaba abantu bethu asebagqoka ublue abangawo understand umthetho uzoprotectwa yilaba abantu abasephaketheni lakhe but uma ungakayi-understand ukuthi ubani uma ungakayi-understand ukuthi uba isitha sakho so wenza umuntu wakini omunye omnyama isitha kushuthi wena uvumele ukuthi lento eyangeniswa la emakhanda yocolonizwa uvumele ukuthi ucindezele umuntu wakini so that wena sakhe isisu sizogcwala kuze kube nini uphila ngegazi so sizongena kule ncwadi ke bahlali engicabanga ukuthi ngizoyifundela ukuthi please listen carefully because siyayidinga lezi impendulo and sisosebenzela phekwazo laba abafisa ukuparticipate abesilekelela njengoba ngilokhu ngibatholile sithengelwa ngisho ama-mics Nkosi yami manje I decided ukuyeka abashuthi ngesinye isikhathi because ngifike ngaba nabashuthi engibakhokhelayo ngaqeda umsebenzi wabantu lo mina ngikukhokhelelo lokho engikwenzayo lokho esikwenzayo nje okunye sekunga outside umsebenzi wami owe office onama protocols aqondile osekuphoqa ukuthi ngidlule because uthi solve a problem but umsuku ungasolvile awufinyeleli lapho kungiphoqa ukuthi ngithi go beyond. That's why ugcina ngena negama le foundation. Now uma ubanika iplatform abantu abanye beza because bafuna ukuba around the space bacabanga ukuthi famous noma uthini. Ngithi umsebenzi lo umsebenzi futhi odle egazini, umsebenzi futhi ongekho mnandi, umsebenzi ongekho mnandi even kwi relationship bantu osondelene nabo. And sometimes kuthi noma ngibona ukuthi yabona ke manje khona la yoshayisa khona ngithi nje ngoba nayi khetha nina abanikazi bayo you are going to solve it angifuni nakwazi. Uthola ukuthi umndeni wami awubonanga the whole week kuze kusho ocolleague babo babatatazelise basho konke okunye abafuna ukusho khona babuye sebebuya ukuthi ngenhlahla by the time bekuthola bona so seku very late sezeya calm down isimo yasolveka kwaleyo nkinga sebeya understand by that time. And bacela would prefer ukuthi usazise beforehand us understand this so that so wazi ukuthi even kufanele siphendule sino colleague sinehlobo sinemndeni siganiwe sigcina singazi siphendule sithini. It's not their journey but yes isiphila sonke fanele understandekile. So okunye baze bakuzwe ngabantu ama comments and what not senginomndeni ozungaphandle than owami umndeni because kubo kudle enyameni kudle egazini kudle enhlizweni kudle emphefumulweni futhi akhomnandi phinde kudle edolweni ngaphezulu because they have to pray for me iminute neminute but bakhumbula into eyodwa ukuthi ekhaya ngakhishwa ngizele ngakhuliselwa la ngikhuliselwe khona. Now they understand ukuthi kwenzakalani khona la kwesisikhathi unodadewethu omdala kunathi sonke uMashozi bembiza uMashozi ubaba uMashozi kwafanele ngimuve kwenye indawo ngiye esesegoli. Umntwana ongizalayo wayengayazi ngisho arrangement yenziwa ngaphandle kwakhe 3 years ago. Bekuyima ngibuza ukuthi ngesikhathi uzulahleke eGoli kwakade cause kunezinto ahamba nga understand what transpired there. Kwayima ifuna ukunderstand because impilo yami ayikazi iziphatho uyena iphathwe abanye abantu iphathwe abanye abantwana than lo ongizalile. So still isakhona lento yokuthi ngicishe ngakwazi ukuthi bangi-understand because angaze ngihlale naze ngikhule nabo futhi si-operator mhlambe ngizothi si-operator emehlweni angalingani. So back understand lakho the only thing abangayenza is to pray for me or is to pray with me. Sometimes kuwe ukuthi kufanele sikhuleke sonke kufanele bangikhulekele bona bodwa ngikhona sometimes or ngingekho. So akholula and that's why I'll always be humbled. Nakubantu, those who pray for me, those who pray with me, I may not see them. Abanye khona lokho abakwenzayo. Nokuhlangana nabantu abakulesi space somthetho ke qobo ufika the group of advocates enkantolo ufika lonke uhlobo labantu abanye bayi-avail usizo labo. Lele sithi ke manje kuyisikhathi sokuthi please advise sibambise nathi so sizolunguza kancane kulokho esikwaziyo bese besiqondisa abazi kancane not because ufuna ukubonakala wazi kunawo wonke umuntu nama ngazi lutho ngiyafunda every day ngilindele ukusizwa every day. So any contribution towards what we are doing lo muqo wodwa silungisele wona uyowenza umehluko. Lawo ma resources othe uthi ay ngoba nifuna ukuprint into ethile ani ukuthi because I'm not using anyone's budget on this cases specifically. So khona lokho and ngilokhu ngithola ama calls ngithola ama message o inbox ayikho into esiphathe kabi nje ukuthi umntwana ucela amanzi kulabo abantu uyazi ukuthi bazoqhuma ngelinye ilanga. It's a huge mistake and asifisa ukuyibona lento yenzeka akuma inbox ke manje acela sicela ufile account aze ngiphendule noyedwa kubona ngibusy ngale kokuba busy. I'm not sure if ngicomfortable ukwenza lokho. And again abanikela ngibuyela ko cameraman bekuthi sesimtholile while abanye bengikhokha voluntarily sipatanise ngibona ukuthi ngikhokha kanjani ukuze basikhavele umsebenzi but abanye kugcine kuyinzuzo kubo. Abanye sifike sebesilindile la siyakhona because siyokwenza leyo nto kanti abantu bayikhulisela ama page abo but again umuntu aphinda kufuna imali yena kade sikwenza kade ebusy push content yakhe bese ngaphushi content thina besenza umsebenzi wethu wa breaker down wayilento yiyona kade sasiyenze eminye ibingakhavi emdala siqala ukutrenda thina manje. Now kunabanye abantu ababenefitile out of it, of which I'm very much happy about that. Mina anytime kunempilo umuntu engishintshayo ngiyajabula. Ayikho into engikhulula ngalokho ukuthi imali khona noma imali kuyafana nje. Kuyafana ngisho unganginika imali uma ngingakajabuliswa ayilokho engikhuluma ngakho kuyafana. Ngisho ngangaba nemali uma ngidibane nalokho engikufuna ngaleso sikhathi okwenzakile ngayithola leyo nto ngiyajabula. So ngifisa ukudlulisa iappreciation kulabo including khona ucela iaddress bafuna ukungilethela ama mics because angazi imisindo yenze njani eduze kwakhona nana. That's the kind of assistance singayikhuluma ngayo. Umuntu ongakwazi futhi ongabhekela utho but office ukuthi kube ngcono enikwenzayo. I end up ngishutha ngama